The legend returns, stronger, bolder, and more confident than ever. This is the 2026 Mitsubishi Montero, shown here in a stunning, glossy metallic gunmetal gray, a color that perfectly highlights its muscular shape and bold off-road attitude. Mitsubishi hasn't just revived a name. They've rebuilt an icon with the clear intent of challenging the biggest players in the segment. From the very first glance, the new Montero commands attention. Its redesigned front fascia features a sharp, modern grille and a powerful LED lighting signature that gives it a fearless road presence. The gunmetal gray paint, combined with a mirror-like glossy finish, enhances the SUV's sculpted body lines, making it look premium, futuristic, and ready for any adventure. Under the hood, Mitsubishi is expected to introduce a more refined and efficient powertrain, focusing on better torque delivery, improved fuel dynamics, and enhanced off-road capability. Paired with Mitsubishi's legendary Super Select 4WD system, the 2026 Montero aims to reclaim its crown as a true go-anywhere SUV. Inside, the cabin receives a complete transformation. A wide digital dashboard, soft-touch premium materials, advanced safety technology, and a quieter drive experience make the new Montero feel more luxurious than any previous generation. Space is generous, comfort is impressive, and the layout is modern and intuitive. But the real magic of the 2026 Montero lies in its balance. It blends rugged off-road ability with modern-day refinement, making it suitable for both adventure seekers and daily family use. This is Mitsubishi's bold statement. The Montero is not just back, it's here to lead. The 2026 Mitsubishi Montero is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated SUVs of the year. And if this early look is anything to go by, the competition needs to get ready.